welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, altcoins. This recent crash, is the bull market over? Is altcoin season over? Today I'm going to show you what to look for, where I'm going to buy, sell, and all of that. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, I kept saying for probably 2.5 months, I sold 90% of my Bitcoin. I had a little bit in my portfolio in the altcoins. And if Bitcoin is going to go to 88K, I'm going to buy more. And guess what? Yesterday, finally, we approached 88K. I load up the truck, not fully. I'm still not 100% invested, but I started to load up on my altcoins. I'm already up around 11% overnight. So incredibly happy. And this is a game of patience. I always said to you guys, if you want to be a professional in this game, you have to wait for the right moment, for the right dip. I got also a couple of positions now with my VIP group still open on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm a little bit in a minus, in negative, but I'm pretty sure they're going to come up as winners. So we're going to be very happy. And guys, if you want really to know how to navigate this next, I would say 6 to 7 months, and start to educate yourself on how to trade, to follow our calls, to follow my calls and my pro member calls, have like very good trading results. Also have a proper Bitcoin analysis every single day as well. Altcoins, what you can do, you can join our VIP group, guys. There's a link in the description below with little trailer as well as our trading results. And also, if you want to be a partner or one of the best exchanges in the world, I recommend you guys my exchange of choice, Blowfin. There's a link in the description to get discounts or trading fees, guys. It's fantastic. Try Blowfin, you will not regret it. But now let's go back into BTC. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin short-term, total free, altcoin short-term, long-term, all of that to show you where we are in the cycle. Just remember as well, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take this as a financial advice. Take only as for like educational purposes. Nobody knows where the market can go. This is only a guess. It's only speculation based on my own knowledge. So please do your own research. Now, 88,900. To be honest, I was expecting BTC to go and have a better rebound than this. You can see that basically we went to 86,000. We had a rebound to 89,000. Bitcoin is just basically here doing nothing. And to be honest, I don't really like this situation from here. From a macro point of view, am I bullish or am I bearish? Well, looking at here, if I have a look at the chart, guys, you can see that we had a touch from 2021 here, and also at this point. So technically speaking, from a macro point of view, we're still above this breakout range from this point here. Maybe in the future it's going to close below. Maybe it's going to go down to 73, 74, whatever is going to be coming. But right now, looking at this perspective, I'm sorry, but to me, it looks like a buying opportunity. You know what? I'm actually bullish. I'm bullish. I still believe we're going to see a nice push to the upside, probably all-time high, 115, 120 to 20,000 to be, to close the cycle. But right now, if I have a look at this chart from here, you can see there is a support on the RSI at this point. I can't really be that bearish. And also, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying here that it's impossible. We're not going to see 70K, 75K, because easily Bitcoin could be doing this. Easily. It could be going down to this area. Everybody's going to be in despair. It's going to be a disaster. But to be honest, right, I still believe in this kind of, the macro trend is still higher, and I still believe we're going to go high. And I'm going to show you why I believe that. Now, short term, what are we doing right now short term? I'm going to show you straight away where we are. So as I said before, shitty response from BTC right now. You can see there is no strength whatsoever. I'll show you what happened before. So we were from here. Okay, so we are into, I can go on the daily so you can see a little bit better. We are at this point over here. We are basically following right now a descending channel. Descending channel, we have two support areas. One is here, the first support areas. Second of all is going to be probably here, at 75. Next one is going to be around 82 to 81. Right now, to me, it's already a good point where you could be seeing a rebound. But what we need to look for, what is actually super important, like if you want to say, okay, I want to be bullish again on Bitcoin, I want to see Bitcoin to go to a new all-time high, what we need to see is going to be the following. Nothing, no like speculation, volume footprint, market makers, manipulation, how you want to call it. That's what you need to look for. That's it. Okay, so you need to see this to go up here, have a yellow candle in my case or green candle, close above here, and then we can talk about a new all-time high. If you're gonna go and do this and then get a rejection from here, this is the channel, guys. Simple as that. Rejection here, we go down. Go up again. Rejection here, we go down. We need to break this one. Very, very important. Otherwise, no bull market, no new all-time high, no all season, nothing. Okay? So that's what I'm looking for right now. Not try to be here to give you all this bullshit about, no, because BlackRock and this. No. I'm looking at the chart here. We had a structure, important structure here. We broke the structure right now, or we are climbing back and close above here, or we go down. There is nothing else. And it doesn't mean, as I said before, pay attention. Doesn't mean that, like I did before, I bought a dip here. I bought a dip. It doesn't mean I'm not going to buy anything. It means I'm going to probably buy here, buy more here, buy more here. That's what I'm doing right now. That's already a very good opportunity. So if somebody had to tell me what can be happening short term right now with BTC, I'm going to show you right now. Let me go on the 4-hour chart so we can see the next move. So today, important day for the stock market. Why? Because we're having the Nvidia earnings. Nvidia earnings are going to basically say, is Nvidia performing well? Are the earnings good? There is any fear about growth, because the market is a little bit scared about the growth concern, recession, all that bullshit. As always, everybody has to be concerned. Crypto fear and greed 21 complete disaster. Just people that getting desperate. Okay, so yeah, Nvidia earnings is going to be very important for today. Now, that's what I can think. Be very careful about this. If the earnings are going to be way higher expectation, then I'm expecting a pump in the stock market. Having a pump in the stock market, crypto can follow, and I could see Bitcoin to try to reclaim this area around $92,000 from here. Maybe we could be seeing something like that. We could be seeing a reclaim of this area around 93, 94. Okay, maybe, sorry, 92, 93. And then here we have to be careful. Why? Because we were into a previous, I'm going to cancel all of the AMA. We used to be in a previous channel. We had a channel here that was going like that. So we broke the channel. In general, what happened with BTC is the following. You break down, you go above here. So you try to go and climb back again. It's kind of like you put it like in reverse, You go up here, and then you got to see, are you going to get a rejection at this point? So by Wednesday, so today's the Wednesday, sorry, Wednesday or Thursday, are you going to get a rejection from here? Well, then you're going to go down more and then probably up more. But if you're going to see strength from here, closing a candle above this level, then we can see more continuation. Are we having strength right now? That's the question. You need to understand well. Are we having strength? Is there like a very strong movement right now that you're like, wow, it's going to be the change of trend? Let's have a look. I mean, negative delta across the board, a little bit of positive delta here. Not really. I don't really see much strength. You can see even on the daily. Minus 218, 13. It's okay, but still, we need to see more strength from here. That's what you're gonna see. And also, like short term. Let me go back into my candles here so you can see a little bit better. Even now, looks like it's forming a potential inverter head and shoulder Bitcoin. You can see we're trying to climb back up now. We try to climb back up. We broke this important resistance. We are trying to climb back up again. As I said before, zero strength here. Like there is literally, if I show you the volume, is like flat completely. So what I would say, what you have to be careful is going to be the following at this point. So, okay, we're going to have an inverted head and shoulder. Let's say it plays out. You calculate from here to here, bring it here. It gives around 92 to 93,000. What we have to be careful is going to be this and then this again. And then probably we can see this. Also, remember this. I'm going to show you something very important. Look at the liquidation now with CoinGlass. I can't really, I don't know why, but I can't move it, but I'll do it for you later. But basically showing that there's still so many liquidation down to 84, even down to 84, 85,000. So I wouldn't be surprised if today at New York open, we are going to see one last drop like this to scare everybody out. Maybe one last drop down to here. And then finally we can see like a bit more of a reversal, because we are very, very oversold right now. Like I started to think we're gonna see like a nice relief rally, and the relief rally is probably gonna go up to here, and then we need to assess where we are, because right now we don't have strength. Simple as that. Like, you don't see. And I told you so many times about the negative delta. I kept saying negative delta, negative delta. That wasn't really a good sign, I must say. And don't get me wrong, guys. I went long on Bitcoin at 90,000 and Ethereum at 2,570. Still got my position open on futures, but that's the part of being a trader. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong, and you gotta take. But as I always said, if you want to learn this on properly for the next 5 or 6 years, guys, come to the VIP. That's what you gotta learn from here. Here you can learn a lot how to manage all of this. Now, next one I want to show you guys, very important, the total free market cap, altcoins market cap. Altcoins had actually a nice rebound. Like, I really like this chart here. You can see that we went down to this area. So we had a rebound. You can see here having a nice rebound. That's not too bad, to be honest. So what we need to see as well here for the altcoins is that we need to see again on total free to go back to this area, okay, and try to break this important level of resistance. So if you're going to go and climb back again up to this area around 1 trillion to 1.03 trillions, what can be happening from this point is going to be we don't want to see another rejection down to here. Okay, so once you're going to go to this area, we need to understand, are we going to see a rejection or are we going to see continuation? And of course, the VIP is going to know that. So that's what you need to look for. But right now, looking at the presentation from this total free, to be honest, I like it. Some people were telling me, oh, but altcoins now, if Bitcoin is going to go down to 75,000, 80,000, altcoins are going to be destroyed. I reckon so many altcoins has already bottomed, to be honest. Like, if you see things like even Tau, for example, 382, it doesn't look too bad. Sure, I'm not saying like that it's impossible. We're not gonna go down one more time. Maybe it's gonna do maybe something like this, down to 300 or But then probably I'm talking about the last dip, from here at 240. I think this area is gonna be a very important area, like this box here. Things, for example, like Avalanche as well. I like Avalanche. You can see that. That to me is a point of maximum opportunity here. Like, you can see that, yeah, Bitcoin can go down one more time. You're gonna see maybe doing maybe something like that, but then once we're gonna be able to break here, you should be going way higher than this. So it's gonna be a very good opportunity. So total free, that's what I can see right now. I can see that again, very important to break the level of support. We have resistance. We have one here, and also we have one here as well. So this one is gonna break and bring us to here, and this one can bring us to here. Simple as that. But again, the structure, if you have a look at the structure from here, still looks like an ABC. It could be doing like ABC, like a ABCD, sorry. So you go A, B, then you go C, and then you go D. Maybe we could be see maybe here 1, 2, 3, and then up this way. That could be a possibility, but things, to be honest, are looking good. I like this response, from the altcoins. Next one, guys, Bitcoin dominance as well. Bitcoin dominance went and got rejected a little bit from here, forming like a sort of like a double potential double top. We're gonna be seeing the next few days. And again, this is actually very, very good. If you're gonna be able to break here, we should be able to go maybe down to this area around 57, 58%, and altcoin should outperform BTC. What I probably could be thinking is that if you are in a mid-cycle correction right now and Bitcoin is going to go to 75,000, then once it's going to climb back up again, probably altcoins could outperform Bitcoin. That could be a possibility that can happen. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin dominance and for altcoins and all that. Now, I also want to show you why I am quite bullish on the situation. In general, if the economy will have problems in the markets, and it will be serious problems that you're like, oh my gosh, it's a recession is going to come, I will probably see this US at 10Y as well as the 2 years 10Y to go and start to continue to go to the upside, as well as the DXY. So this one is basically the US at 10 years and 2 years are fixed income. In general, whenever they trend higher is because lots of institutions are parking money there, and therefore what can happen is that this one usually tend to go higher. Like in a situation where you have they need to increase interest rates, they need to high inflation, there's like a flight to safety, this is usually go higher, and right now is pointing downwards. So if it's pointing downwards, in general, this is a leading indicator for risk assets actually to go higher. That's why I'm thinking that if this is going to continue to go, the Fed is going to be likely they're going to cut interest rates, and of course, crypto and stocks should perform very, very well. You can even see, for example, even the 2 years or 10 years, same story. Like the 2 years is basically doing something like that. So if this is going to continue, then I can really see Bitcoin and crypto go higher. Also, gold is correcting, Nasdaq is correcting, and also the XY is going down. So again, if this was going higher, then I will have like a little bit of a, could it be a little bit of a scare? But right now, it's going down. Fixed income is going down, so it's making me, I would say, quite bullish for a short-term rebound for BTC. That's it, guys. I think that's it for today. Of course, if you have a question, let me know in the comments. But basically, my plan. I'm gonna buy also at other determined levels, which of course I'm gonna discuss with my VIP when I'm gonna buy next. But otherwise, I really wish you a great day. Overall, I'm still for this cycle. I'm still bullish. Still, I haven't changed my mind. I could be totally wrong, as I said before, but I follow the data, I follow the macro structure, I follow every possible news, and before now calling for a bear market, I know the cycle. I would like to see more other information, but otherwise, we're good. Strong hands, of course. Anything can happen, but I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another day. Take care and see you soon.